Aloha. So I know I haven't done a video in a while, and I did say and promise that I would do another video with my parakeets, as a matter of fact. Also, welcome to the Hawai'ian Ohana channel once again. And the reason why I'm going to do this on my parakeets is because they've had 4 eggs that they have laid. And for a lot of people that have parakeets, or probably maybe thinking about having parakeets, one of the things you would like to probably know is about like the incubation process, or how to identify if the eggs have been in fact fertilized by the male budgie, as a lot of people call them. That's their classification name. I'll show you all those quick steps and everything in this video and all that stuff. How you can tell you got a fertile egg, and also basically kind of doing like a ultrasound kind of deal. It's pretty cool. But anyways, so hold on one moment. I am gonna get the nesting box, which is over here. I got both my budgies are in that nesting box right now. So I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible for them, because I don't want to cause them too much stress either. So I got to get this nesting box down. It just makes it easier for me. Makes it a little bit easier for me when I bring it down to my level, so that way, 1, I'm not stressing them out. 2, I'm not ripping it out of the wall there. And here we go. There they are. And as you can see, there is 1 egg there that's not being sat on. My male budgie is in there right there. He's the gray dude chilling. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove mommy and daddy from the nesting box. So now I'm going to put my phone down again. Come here, daddy. Come on. Gonna put you up. Boop, boop, boop. Come here, mommy. I know. Come on. Come on. And here's mommy. Pomai. Say hi. Say aloha. So I'm gonna make this quick. Up. Good girl. Now, I'll show you the rest of the eggs. Like I said, I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. So as you can see, whoops, trying to zoom in. Got 4 eggs total. Yay! So now, what you want to do is to check. Might need a stronger flashlight. I don't know. But to check, you can use just about any flashlight with the light on. And as of right now, let me see if I can go in the dark. There we go. So this egg is, I would say, definitely fertilized. There's an embryo, but can't really tell if there's anything in there. So now I'm going to put that egg back. I don't really see any veins. I'm kind of hoping that one will pull through. So I'll put this one back. Now we'll check this one.
Just trying to protect their children.
Oh, turn it back around. The reason why I come in the dark is so y'all can see. Oh, there we go. This is what you want to look for, and you will be able to tell that it is fertilized.
need your strength too.
You see those veins?
Sit on the last couch.
Pretty cool, huh? Yeah.
Killed someone.
And that thing right there in the dead center, that is the heartbeat. That's the embryo.
Just
So, yep.
the hell out.
That one, that is fertile. When you see those veins in there, you can tell it's fertilized.
Be leaving 4 hours.
All right. So this video's gone on for about 5 minutes. So that's really what I wanted to show you folks. I'm going to bring mommy back to her eggs so she can tend to them. And there she goes. Right back to her babies. Doo, 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 doo. I love that. Such a tender, caring mama. Boom, 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 boop. Good girl. All right, and I'm going to put her back up. So, they take about 18 days, for incubation. And each egg, this is the interesting thing, when the female budgies lay their eggs, it's not all at the same time. My female budgie laid 1 egg the first day. Second day, actually about 2 days later, she laid a second egg. And then I think another 2-3 days later, she laid 2 more eggs. So we got 2 of them that are about the same age, 2 that are a few days apart from each other. And now at this point, what happens is the oldest will probably hatch first. She will remain in that nesting box until every single egg has hatched. Now, after 23 days, if all the eggs haven't hatched, then that means the other ones sadly are duds, which means they weren't fertile, they weren't fertilized, and yeah, it'll just start all over again. Once she's done with feeding them and she's being fed, they become of mature age, then that's it. And at this point, he will continue to, my male parakeet, Ali'i, will continue to be the only one that comes in and out of the nesting box and will feed my female parakeet, Pomai. And she'll stay in there and make sure that the babies get fed and that the eggs are being incubated, so on and so forth. So yeah, that's and Ali'i just ran back into the nesting box. But so yeah, that's something new that I've got going on. I'm gonna have baby parakeets coming on soon. Can't wait. And I'll definitely do another video when they hatch. So anyways, hope you all are doing well. Stay safe out there during this whole COVID thing. Nope, just gotta make it through it. All right, y'all have a blessed day. Aloha. Chihu.